Picture this, you're on a bustling street in Tokyo, the neon lights are dazzling, and you've just found the most incredible vintage kimono. You whip out your YouTrip card, tap it, and transaction successful. But wait, a thought pops into your head. Which currency did YouTrip actually deduct? Was it your pre-exchanged Japanese yen, or did it pull from your Singapore dollars? It's a question many YouTrip users ponder, and it's a smart one to ask. After all, understanding how your multi-currency wallet works is key to making the most of those fantastic exchange rates and avoiding any unexpected surprises. We all want to be savvy travelers and spenders, right? So, let's demystify YouTrip's currency deduction process. YouTrip is designed to make overseas spending incredibly seamless, and its primary goal is to save you money on foreign transaction fees. It does this through its multi-currency wallet and a clever feature called Smart Exchange. Here's the breakdown. YouTrip allows you to hold balances in 10 major currencies directly within the app: Singapore dollar, SGD, US dollar, USD, Euro, British pound, GBP, Japanese yen, JPY, Hong Kong dollar, HKD, Australian dollar, AUD, New Zealand dollar, NZD, Swiss franc, CHF, Swedish krona, SEK, Malaysian ringgit, MYR, and Thai baht, THB. When you make a purchase overseas, YouTrip prioritizes deducting from the local merchant currency if you have that specific currency already stored in your YouTrip wallet. So, if you're in Japan and you have JPY in your wallet, YouTrip will automatically deduct the amount from your JPY balance first. This is the ideal scenario, as you would have exchanged the currency at a rate you were happy with, potentially locking in a good rate beforehand. But what if you don't have enough of the local currency, or you haven't pre-exchanged any at all? This is where YouTrip's Smart Exchange comes into play. If your local currency wallet has insufficient funds, YouTrip will automatically convert the remaining amount needed from other currency wallets you hold. It follows a specific order of deduction to complete the purchase. Generally, it will first look to your Singapore dollar, SGD, balance, then USD, followed by Euro, GBP, JPY, HKD, AUD, NZD, CHF, SEK, MYR, and THB. This automatic conversion happens at YouTrip's competitive wholesale exchange rates with no additional fees or markups. It's crucial to understand that while YouTrip supports payments in over 150 currencies worldwide, only those 12 specific currencies can be held and exchanged within the app beforehand. For any of the other 138 plus currencies, YouTrip will still process the transaction at the MasterCard wholesale exchange rate with zero fees. It will simply convert the amount from your available balances, following the Smart Exchange deduction order. One important point to remember is to always try and pay in the local currency when prompted by a merchant, especially when using your YouTrip card overseas or for online purchases. This avoids something called dynamic currency conversion, DCC, where the merchant's bank converts the currency at their own, often less favorable, rates. Always choose to be charged in the local currency, e.g., choose GBP in the UK, not SGD, to ensure you benefit from YouTrip's excellent exchange rates. In essence, YouTrip is designed to be smart and efficient. It aims to deduct from the exact currency you need if you have it. If not, it seamlessly converts from your other available balances, always striving to give you the best possible rate without hidden fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.